Welcome to Artisan Heights Manchester, and the perfect fusion of comfort, convenience, and culture. Whether you're an aspiring scholar, an artistic soul, or a social butterfly, this modern student accommodation caters for all with its diverse range of en-suites and studios. But let's talk about amenities, because this property doesn't just stop at comfy beds and stylish decor. Picture this: fully furnished living spaces equipped with sleek kitchen areas boasting high-quality appliances, perfect for whipping up midnight snacks or hosting impromptu dinner parties. And speaking of parties, the common areas and on-site cinema room are the ultimate spots for mingling and movie nights. The free Wi-Fi ensures seamless connectivity for both study and play. Plus, with laundry facilities on site, wardrobe malfunctions are a thing of the past. Strategically positioned near educational powerhouses like the University of Manchester, Manchester Metropolitan University, and the Royal Northern College of Music, you'll never be late to your lectures. Immerse yourself in Manchester's rich culture. From the iconic Manchester Art Gallery to the majestic Manchester Cathedral, all just a stone's throw away. Whether you're craving the eclectic menu at Bundobust or seeking a cultural fix at home Manchester, everything you need is right at your doorstep. So why wait? Book your spot with amberstudent.com today and embark on the ultimate Manchester adventure.